What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Blackfire Technical Analysis YouTube channel. I am your host, Crypto Bro, also known as Brian. And it's Friday. It is the last trading day of the week. Welcome. We got plenty to update, and the very first thing that I'm going to update is this. Give me 1 second, actually. First thing I want to update for you guys is a piece of, in my opinion, heavily unfortunate news. I will not be conducting live trading streams, unfortunately, due to the issues my internet provider is causing. So I went live yesterday for the last 20, 25, 35 minutes. I started to look for trades during the open market, and while I was doing the stream, the bandwidth for incoming audio via my partner on Discord was completely cut off. And at that time, I had realized my internet is not good enough to live stream and trade with my business partner at the same time. It's just not. It's a reality of life. It's a fact of life that I cannot change. I have my internet provider's maximum package, and because the upload speed is only 15 megabytes, I can't do everything all at once. So unfortunately, the live trading stream is no longer. We are not doing that anymore. Again, because I have to weigh everything from levels of importance, and the level of importance of me conducting my business with my trading partner is higher than conducting live trading streams for the YouTube community. Now, does that mean we're completely out of options here? No. What we can still do is post content in the Discord community. If I see a live trade, I'll take a screenshot of my setup, where I'm looking to enter, where I'm looking to take profit, where I'm looking to exit. Again, entry, exit strategies, the whole 9 yards. We can still do that if you guys so desire, or if you have any other ideas of the content that I can share with you guys, let me know. I'm willing to do, a little, again, because I'm here for 12 hours every day. 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. I wake up at 3:45. I have all this time pre-market. Obviously, I'm still trading pre-market. I'm still trading pre-market, but I still have time. I have time pre-market to set some other stuff up for you guys. Again, if you so desire, if you guys want, screenshots, information, technical analysis, anything like that, please just, give your boy a heads up. It is, again, a series of unfortunate events that led to this decision. Again, I have to weigh the level of importance, right? And my business partner, with all the capital that my business partner has, that takes precedence over everything. My life, my profits, and my career take precedence over providing extra content for Facebook and YouTube. So again, I'm not saying that I'm gonna stop providing content. Obviously, we're here today. We're still gonna do the live stream every morning between 5 a.m. and 5:30. Just give you guys, market updates. I'm gonna have to expand on the technical analysis that I provide. Cover some, bulk analysis, and then some traditional stocks, maybe throw in some crypto, give you guys some more content via the live stream to make up a little bit for the fact that we are no longer going to be providing trading live. Again, until something changes, I simply can't. My internet just doesn't have the balls to do, live streaming and Discord video chat at the same time. It just doesn't. That was proven yesterday. I had to cancel the live stream 45 minutes in, just because I couldn't hear my business partner speak. We had everything set up on Discord so that I can hear my business partner, but you guys can't. That's the way we had it set up. I couldn't hear him at all. His Discord chat was frozen. Everything was frozen except for the live stream. So If it gets in the way of my business, I'm cutting it out. It's a poison that hinders my profits. It's gone. So for the time being, until something changes, and again, I'm hoping my internet provider comes over and installs the fiber package, which I've been basically calling them once or twice a month, every month for the past 2 years to hurry up and fucking install. Um, once that, once that happens, we will try to live stream the day trades that I'm taking. We will try then, only then though. Again, until my internet gets better, I have no other option. I have no other options. And I do apologize, ladies and gentlemen. It's not that I don't want to. It's that every time I try to do something more, there's always a problem with my internet. And unfortunately, I live in, a city that's being monopolized by one specific internet provider. And if I wanted to get another internet provider, I'd have to pay like $20,000 just for them to feed a line to my house. And I don't fucking own this house. I'm not doing that shit. Fuck that. I'm good. So for the time being, no live stream trades, unfortunately. Again, if I take a trade and you guys want the information on that trade, I will provide the information on that trade. I will tell you what I'm getting in, why I'm getting in, where I'm taking profit, and when I plan on getting out, period. But it'll all be via type in words on Discord, or if you guys, better yet, if you guys would rather have it on the Facebook community chat, we can do it there as well. Just if you guys watch this stream today, give me a little bit of feedback. Tell me what you want, so that we can provide it for you guys. That's the news. Other news: we tried. Me and my business partner tried we tried to identify another edge by trading what we thought could be a potential edge on the 15-minute time frame. And it did not fucking work. Period. So me and my business partner yesterday again, he is my business partner, but I am front running this. I am the knowledge. I am the brains behind this operation. His job is to fucking do what I tell him. Period. I agreed with him that we should try a different edge to see if it works, to see if we can get quicker profits. It did not work, which means we have to go back to our rule set from trading in the zone, being patient, identifying our edge, and having confidence in that edge. And basically, this is what I did. We'll go to the 15-minute. Texas Instruments is the example that we used yesterday, and this is kind of how I'm looking at it. So I basically pulled up the chart, and this is what we were trying to do. We were trying to take the red 9 exponential above the 21 as an entry signal, and clearly did not work. On multiple charts, this did not work. This one actually signified pre-market. So we took a bunch of trades yesterday via that one specific signal, and we got wrecked on fucking everything, which we will cover today. We will definitely cover today. But I basically told my business partner, I was like, hey, listen, we had a phenomenal week last week. This week, not so much. What are we doing different this week than last week? Oh, we're not using the same edge. Right, so we're going back to the same edge. We're going back to the 21 exponential cross above the green 55 or below, depending on if we're longing or shorting or what the market's telling us, and taking profits quickly, period. There is no deviation from that specific edge anymore. I will not allow deviations from that specific edge, and I will not allow overconfidence in the edge to sway us from taking profits, period. Again, I got mouths to feed, man. I got a baby. I got a wife. Yes, do I want to get rich? Obviously, yes, that is the ultimate goal. But right now, in the current present time, the ultimate goal is to generate a living. Period. Pay the bills. Make more than I'm spending. Period. So that's what happened. We'll definitely cover the trades that we took yesterday that were all fucking bad. I took one trade that was a winner yesterday. Again, I do believe in transparency and honesty. This is a psychological evaluation. Every time I go on live stream, please remember that not only am I providing technical analysis, entertainment content, and educational content, but I'm also utilizing this platform as a psychological journal for my trading journey so that I can come back, reference the live stream, get a feel for how my emotions were, how psychologically sound I am, or was, or will be, and make the adjustments necessary to ensure consistent profits over time. Period. Period. That's the name of this game, ladies and gentlemen. Consistent profits over time. And if I'm fucking up, I gotta fix it. Period. Like it's business. It's purely business. If I'm making mistakes that are costing us money in the end, I gotta make the adjustments to make sure that we're not losing money again. We definitely lost money yesterday. We're gonna go ahead and cover the bulk analysis first, and then we'll talk about all the fucking money that I lost yesterday. And then we'll move on from there. So let's go ahead and switch gears here. Move on to the daily time frame. I want to take a look at NASDAQ. NASDAQ is giving me some hope for a few trades that I am currently in at the moment. Actually, I gotta open up this window here. Oh shit. Gotta open up this window a little bit, at least so I can see my P&L. Because I am in 3 trades right now. There they are. AMD, Amazon, and Texas. Texas Instruments. And they're all playing in my favor right now. I'm actually looking to close profits on Amazon here pretty soon. But we'll cover that momentarily. First things first, NASDAQ confirming a low right here on the support. Now, we got to look at the local lows and recognize, hey, local lows are local lows. They may be inconsequential. This could be a uptrend continuation low. Did I just get a notification? What just happened? Nothing quite yet. Okay. What was I saying? Shit. I heard a notification. I thought it took profits. NASDAQ looking really juicy here. The only thing that really concerns me here is the declining stochastics, but we could always curl back up on that bullish or that bearish control zone, top zone. Support it. I'm gonna mark it off for you guys real quick. Yep. If we see continuation here, I would be looking for stochastics to curl back up. We're already seeing RSI curling back up, back above the exponential, supporting the 50 read at the current moment in time. Again, it's about looking at the structure, in my opinion. Momentum oscillators aren't even dictating my decisions for this. Price action, candlestick formations, dictating my decisions here today. We do have support right here on the $11,500 support region here, generating a 2-touch diagonal trend line of support. Will it hold? That's the question. Will it hold? And I think maybe yeah. I think the fact that we likely see a candle closure above the 21 exponential tells me that price action continuation back towards tentative resistance is likely the next step for this price action here. Again, 11,950 spot 75 is where I would be looking for price action to move towards. Again, assuming that we see the 21 exponential reclaim its structure here. We do have, damn it, I always do that thinking I'm not zoomed in. We do have a positive slope structure here on the 21 exponential. Again, things are looking up. So that is my general basis for the day, unless the following conditions are met. Failure to hold that 21 exponential today or tomorrow, and I will be looking for lower lows in this structure. I would be looking for price action to move down to 11,165, and if that condition is met, ultimately, again, I would be looking at this as a structural top in the formation. Again, as we all know and understand, we have been riding this diagonal trend line of death and destruction for quite some time. Generating the all-time high, and then your first touch point, and then your second touch point. Do we have a third touch point? Question mark? Maybe. Only time will tell for this one, in my opinion. But for now, yes, we are back above the 21 exponential. We do have momentum oscillators starting to curl up, starting to lose that downside momentum, and switching gears to the upside momentum. So for the time being, for NASDAQ, I'm going to be very patient and wait to see if this 21 exponential holds, and if it does, I would be looking for an immediate continuation drive towards 11,950 and possibly even towards the following resistance at 12,225. So again, right now, trading decisions on the daily time frame, obviously no. I would be looking for a secondary open and closure, which would come into tomorrow above the 21. But a low structure here in continuation immediately tells me we do have a drive of momentum to the upside. So we're going to see if this candle closure confirms above the 21, and if so, I would be looking for more moves to the upside. SPY futures, same thing, hitting that support, hitting the green 55, hitting the 3740 support, hitting that diagonal trend line that's been there for quite some time, and reacting accordingly here. All lower periods are trading above the higher periods as far as moving averages are concerned. RSI is whoop, 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 moving to the upside, hitting that 50 read, hitting it with support, and looking like it wants to cross, I do believe. Not cross just yet, but again, we're generating a trend here. The trend is your friend until the end of the trend, and boom, there's your trend. Same thing with this. I was looking for this green 55 to fail, this trend line to fail, and it did not fail. And as a result, I will be looking for the same movements as NASDAQ. I will be looking for price action to move towards 40, 50 even, and maybe even another stab towards like 4,100 bucks, which is the diagonal trend line of resistance. Now, SPY futures looks exciting because we're gearing up for a potential attempt at higher highs above this diagonal trend line, and if it does confirm higher highs, things get a little bit more exciting here. Again, same thing. We are still riding in the diagonal trend line of resistance, and as a result, I have to remain bearishly biased. And even if we, defeat the trend line of resistance, I still remain slightly bearishly biased until at least we see open and closures above the last macro lower high. And for SPY futures, that is going to be at 43.35, SPY 25, if we want to play with exacts. Until I see open and closures above there, I'm assuming that it's going to get rejected, period. So if we do see breaches above this diagonal trend line of resistance here, I would be looking for the next level. Again, play it level by level, and I'd be looking for 4,200 bucks even for SPY futures. Open and closures above that, you already know it. I'd be looking for the current macro top resistance here. Conditions that would convince me otherwise would be an immediate failure back below 39.50 here, at which point I would look for the trend to be at an end, and I would look for continuation towards 3,800 bucks even, we'll call it 3,800 bucks, maybe 30, give or take 10, 15 bucks, 38.10, something like that. I would be looking for moves down towards that region here, but again, RSI is looking juicy here. Stochastics not looking so juicy, but we could again curl back up on that top side of the bearish control zone here and see the momentum shift into the bullish biased favor here. Oh, that's the wrong fucking thing, Brian, you dummy. US dollar index, DXY, continuing its decline. And this is where some of the confidence for the upside continuation comes into play. We are seeing some sideways ranging motion at the current moment in time between the resistance of 105 spot 65 and the support of 104 spot 42. And the analysis for this one is quite simple. Any open and closure below 104 spot 40, and I'll be looking for a soft test of the next level at 103 spot 65, and maybe even all the way down to 102 spot 52. However, a breach above current resistance at 105 spot 65, and I would look for an immediate move all the way up towards 106 spot 90. My bias does not change as far as this trend is concerned until I see open and closures above the last major top, right around 107 spot 80, we'll just call 88, 107 spot 90. Perfect. Until I see open and closures above there, my general bias is to the downside. I will be looking for price action to go ahead and start potentially testing below 104 spot 47. Again, this is likely the result, not the results. This is likely the cause of your market starting to see some green for once in the last fucking year. Again, directly correlating the data from U.S. dollar index towards Nasdaq, for example. I have found subjective evidence that suggests every time that the dollar is bearish, the stock market is bullish. Anytime the dollar is bullish, the stock market is bearish. And for the first time in well over a year, we are seeing evidence of this bearish price action play out. Again, macro change of behavior below this point, 105 spot 61, 62 here, definitely told me, hey, things are definitely changing to the negative. But we do have an uptick here. Stochastics supporting the bearish critical bottom here at the 20 read, bouncing back up. Not really the end-all be-all for momentum. RSI still basically dictating price action below the exponential here, forcing it down. We're definitely playing fuck games with that bearish control zone here. I would look for, potential moves to the upside, and if we do see potential moves to the upside, I wouldn't look for anything more than 105 spot 60 unless we confirm closures above 105 spot 60, at which point I would look for tentative tests of 106 spot 85, which would correlate very well with the stochastics gaining a little bit of momentum to the upside here. But again, please remember we are in the bearish control zone with stochastics, and we are in the bearish control zone for RSI as well. Nothing specific as far as true momentum until I see at least, again, candle closures above current resistance, stochastics breaching the 35 read, and RSI breaching the exponential, at the very least, the exponential. So the dollar index is still generally biased to the downside, which would be good for the rest of the market. It would be good for my trades today. It is technically going well for my trades today. I'm up like 250 bucks on 3 trades. Can't complain. Can't complain. Bitcoin. I haven't done Bitcoin in a minute. It may feel like the lows are in, but I would not be confident on that sentiment just yet. Still ranging. Bitcoin back above the 21 exponential, been toying around, going sideways with that 21 exponential for quite some time. We do have a soft cross of the 9 above the 21. Not saying that's significantly relevant. We also have a breach of resistance currently. We could have a breakout formation. Again, we do have this very tightly wound up sideways consolidation phase here. That seems to have broken out with higher highs. Thank you. Oh my god, I clicked like 7 fucking times. Okay, stochastics looks fucking delicious. Cross up in the bullish control zone, looking for re-entry into the critical territory. That's what we want to see if we're looking for a bullish bias. RSI continuing a little bit of an uptrend formation here, playing around with that 50 read. What would be significant is confirming a candle closure above 17,250, give or take, and seeing continuation towards the green 55 at 17,830. That would likely send our RSI above the 50 read, confirming critical signals, and most importantly, confirming a secondary candle closure above the 21, which we have not done in this consolidation phase. Would also be edge and evidence enough to suggest the possible continuation towards that level as well. Failures below the 21 exponential only leads me to believe that sideways consolidation is the only answer. Opening closures below the consolidation phase at 16,820 would lead me to believe structure failure is likely the next move, and I would look for tests of the current lows and possibly even lower lows. Let's actually look for some levels. Hey, Bitcoin has a level right here. Whoop. 13,005. Yeah, 13,005 to 13,008. If we do confirm open and closures on lower lows, I'd be looking for a dramatic decline to the next significant major support level at 13,800 bucks. Again, it all depends on what price action does today. If we do confirm a candle closure above the 21, I would look for continuation towards the 55 and ultimately towards the next resistance at 18,500 bucks. Not fucking bad. If I do say so myself. I got somebody in the live right now. What's going on, bro? If you have any requests, drop them in the comment section. I will do the analysis for any requests that you may have. But if not, I'm going to move on. Talk about a couple of my trade setups. And only a couple, just because, you know, all of them were a loss. Again, we tried something new yesterday, you know, and with trying something new, there is literally no guarantee that you're going to succeed. 15-minute time frame. Let's cover Tesla, which was our first loss of the day. Again, a lesson learned. I'm never playing the first candle of an asset again. Never doing it. I'm gonna have to turn post-market hours off, or yeah, I'm gonna do regular hours. Yep, right here's where we lost. So basically what I was looking at is this range right here on Tesla. Price action was going sideways. Tesla opened down. I said, all right, let's short. And then, boom. I mean, you know, I lost $400 right here. Sometimes your edge doesn't work. Tried something new. Tried to play, you know, broken resistance or broken support. And it did not confirm as broken support. It came right back up and put us in a loss. That was a bad trade at the end of the day. Verizon was another bad trade. If I can find it. I don't even think... I think we removed it. We definitely made some changes yesterday. I think I removed it. Verizon was a bad trade. What was my entry? 3701? Whoops. That is the wrong asset, dumbass. Look at that. Sideways. Sideways. I think we took a red... Yep, a red exponential cross on this one. 3701. I don't even know what I was trying to play on this one. I can't remember. Well, I mean, you can see. Price action was going sideways. Hit support, bounced up. Hit support, bounced up. Hit support, bounced up. What was I seeing? Today is the 9th. 9:30 opened up. Did we go long? 37. No, we went short on Verizon. This is where I went short. Pre-market. I saw the closure below the 21. I said, oh shit, let's try it. It didn't work. Again, we were just trying different things yesterday. None of which were technically sound, to be honest with you. Again, but that's the whole point of technical analysis. Sometimes you just gotta try shit to see if it works. If you lose a little money, you lose a little money. You know, we lost fucking $50 on on a bullshit trade for Verizon. Entered at 701 on a short, got stomped out at 711, $54, whatever. XPEV. That one did not go in our fucking favor. XPEV. Whoops. XPEV did not go in our favor. entry was 11.95. Yeah, we played the 21 cross. And with smaller stocks, 2%. If you're looking to manage risk, that's 2% right there. I mean, 2% is right fucking there. Now, obviously, we're learning to open up our, because again, with this signal, we took this candle here. We should have taken this candle here. Again, we were trying to play the red 9 exponential crossing the 55 as an entry signal. We didn't take profits on the first go, and I think we entered late. Yeah, that's right. We entered late. 11.95. Yeah, we entered late and then got fucking stomped. Stop loss. $258 in the hole. Exxon. Nobody's perfect, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not perfect. Y'all gotta remember, I'm not rich yet. I'm not a famous YouTube, trader. I'm still learning just as much as anybody that watches is still learning. Exxon. Oh shit. I got a short. I should have taken that short signal, motherfucker. Oh no signal. Oh, there was no technical cross. Okay. Exxon. We did the same thing. 106.57 was our entry. And I think I was I was playing the break. Yeah, I wasn't playing EMAs on this one. That's right. Man, I take so many trades sometimes I don't remember why I took them. This one I played because I saw, a breach of resistance, and then we got this candle here which basically confirmed, and this is where I entered. I said, okay, we broke resistance, confirmed new support. I'm gonna play that and look for the next level. Nope, just kidding. Fuck you. Again, live and learn. 106.65 is where I entered. I don't even think I took the full 2%. No. We were down 1.7%, and I said, nah, this looks weak. We got to kill it. Mitigate our losses. Another bad trade. Again, you got to remember we're on the 15-minute time frame as well. Meta. Meta might be an edge today, actually. I'm actually going to highlight that watch list. Boom, look at that. Meta, let's see what we have on Meta. 116.12 to 114.91. 116. Yep, another instance of me trying to play broken resistance. Entered on broken resistance, immediately got stomped out. Unfortunate. Texas Instruments is the trade that I'm still in currently. Actually played out in my favor. Entered at 175.62. Yep, 175.62. Yep, on the confirm. Again, we were trying something new, and this is the only instance where trying something new was actually profitable yesterday. We bought this doji, and I took profits right here for 0.5% at 176.50. Yep, $59.84. Now, when I took profits, I only took a portion of my profits here. Again, I let the position ride. I might be taking profits right now, actually. Oh, shit, dog. I'm going to hide my capital and show you what I'm looking at. Going to drag this window up. There we go. There's Webull. Texas Instruments. I have 45 shares left. As you can see, I initially had 113, I believe. Yeah, 113. And we took 60% off the table once it hit the first take profit level. Again, we have a sound edge. 21 exponential and the red 9 exponential are above the green 55, and as long as that sentiment remains, we hold our edge. We stay in the position. We take profits along the way. These are my current positions. AMD, again, we have an edge on AMD. Yeah, AMD. Let's look at AMD. Show you the trades that I'm in now. Oh my God, Brian. Here's a quick tip for anybody that wants to know. I've always been struggling with the correlation between post-market, pre-market, and regular trading hours. I've always wanted, and I can't believe I missed this for so many years. If you want pre- and post-market candlestick formations on your TradingView chart, just open up your settings here. You can double click the candles, or you can go to this little icon here, hit settings. This window will pop up. You scroll all the way down to session, extended trading hours. Hit OK. I have an edge on AMD that I took pre-market. Pre-market has a cross with the yellow 21 above the green 55. That position is technically profitable right now. AMD, right? Yep, AMD. I'm only up $50 right now, but I'm looking for the first take profit level on AMD. I think right around here, 71.45, give or take. A couple pennies. I will be looking to chop off the most of the position there, and then letting a smaller portion of the position ride for more profits. Amazon is playing very nicely for me. I might actually adjust. Yeah, I might actually adjust that real quick. Let me go ahead and make an adjustment real quick. I do apologize. It looks like I'm getting a live trade in right now. How many shares of Amazon do I have? 221. Amazon, 221. Cancel order. Stop loss 89.60. Just remember that, 89.60. 91.24. $221 minus 60% equals 132. I'm going to take 132 shares. 132 shares. Good till cancel. Take profit. $90 spot 50, 91.35. I wanted to take profit. 91.24. Yeah. 91.24 is where I'm taking profit. Stop loss has to be below the edge. Where's my entry? Entry is 90.37. $89.35 is where I'm going, as long as it's below the edge. 89 spot 35. Good till cancel. Place order. Confirm. Bingo. Boom. Just like that. Look at it take profits real quick. Look at it take profits real quick. 91.35. Price action's at 91. Wait. 91.35. I should be taking profits now, bro. What the fuck? Maybe I'll move that up. Or maybe I won't. 91.24. Yeah, I'll just leave it right there. That's where I want to take profits. Just leave it. Have confidence in your edge. There we go. Go ahead and minimize that so I can see the stream. What else? What else did I fuck up on yesterday? Coin. Yeah, coin. Again, this is another instance of us trying to take a softer edge here. We took this one late. We technically were in the profits, but we wanted to see if it rode, and it didn't. We entered here. $42.87. and got out here. Once price action closed below the red, I was like, yeah, again, mitigate your losses. Sometimes, you enter in a trade and you're like, yeah, we got to kill it before it really kills us. That's what we made the decision to do on this one yesterday. And that's pretty much everything that we traded. Hopefully today will be a little bit better. Just because, again, we tried a new perceived edge, what we thought could be an edge. That's, I posted, I'm actually going to read to you guys what I posted in the group chat today. I basically said part of technical analysis is realizing that it's an art, not a science. That's one of the most important things that we need to realize as traders, is that this is not a science. If it was a science, everyone would fucking do it. Everyone would get rich. Point blank, period. Part of technical analysis and trading is realizing that it's an art, not a science. Yesterday's losses were a result of trying to be an artist. Sometimes your sketches as an artist aren't as good, but then that sketch that comes around and changes everything appears. And I do believe me and my partner identified that sketch. Again, taking the original edge that we had prior to trying a new one. Because this week we've been trying a new edge and it's not working. 1 week of, a bad trading, trying to trade a new edge, just has not worked out. It's no longer a part of our trading rule set. We're going to stick with the original edge. I said, if you're trading with technical analysis, and I had to break it down to 3 basic rules, it would be these rules. Number 1, identify your edge and fucking stick with your edge. Have confidence in your edge, and statistically speaking, you will be rewarded. Number 2, manage your fucking risk. And number 3, take profits, any profits, $20, $50. Oh shit, $1,000, take it. Do not leave any of that free money on the table. And that is my advice for the day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I will never tell you what to do with your trades and or investments. And that's going to do it for the stream. I'm going to go ahead and start identifying more pre-market edges if they are available. I will try to provide updates, but right now I'm in the phase of trying to get some feedback from the community. If you guys want me to post, live trades in the group chat on Facebook or in the Discord or both or whatever, I will try to get you guys that information and let you know when I'm taking positions. And that's going to do it for the stream, ladies and gentlemen, until tomorrow, or not tomorrow, Monday. That's going to wrap it up for today. Again, I do apologize for not having the ability to go live and work with my business partner at the same time. It is what it is, right? It is what it is. We just have to work around it. So, again, to those watching, to those that come through, if you're new to the channel, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, tick that little bell. And until next time, you already know what it is. Stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay profitable.